One question we get asked all the time as physical therapists who treat scoliosis is, what would you do if it were your kid? Today I'm going to talk about that. So when we're seeing someone, especially a teenager who has scoliosis, a lot of times a parent will ask, if this was your child, what would you do? I know a lot of healthcare professionals that shy away from answering that question because it's not their job to make a decision for that person. But at the same time, what would I do if it were my child who was diagnosed with scoliosis? I have 4 kids. One of my kids is 14, about the right age for developing scoliosis. And if he was diagnosed with scoliosis, what would I do? So I want to talk about 3 things that I would do if my child was diagnosed with scoliosis. So number 1, the first thing that I would do if my child was diagnosed with scoliosis is I would research. I would go online and I would research what things are out there for scoliosis treatment. And I know sometimes a lot of providers will not want you to go out and get in the Google rabbit hole and things like that, but I think it's important for you to understand what is out there. So if you go online and you look up some things about scoliosis and you learn what treatments are out there, you'll be more informed and have a better understanding of what you want to do. There are things online that you don't want to really put as much faith in, and there are some things out there that are really weird, but unless you go out there and you research some things, you're not going to know what treatments are out there. So that's number 1. Get informed and do your research online and really understand what treatments are available. Number 2, I would trust specialists in scoliosis treatment. With that said, there are a lot of scoliosis surgeons that if a curve is over 20-25 degrees, a lot of pediatricians will refer someone to a scoliosis surgeon to follow that curve. They are a scoliosis specialist, but be careful with that because they may not be as supportive of other conservative methods for treating scoliosis. But still, they are a surgeon. You can trust their opinion. Most surgeons aren't pushing you into doing surgery when it's not necessary. So trust the specialists in that field to know what is best for your child. And with that, think about what types of specialists that you're going to. They're going to each have their own biases about what should be done. And so take those into account. Make sure who you're going to is actually a specialist in scoliosis treatment. So there are a lot who say that they treat scoliosis but aren't specialized in scoliosis treatment. So do your homework on who you're going to make sure that they are specialized in it and that you can trust them in their recommendations. Number 3, the third thing I would do is I would be proactive. I would not do the wait and see approach for scoliosis treatment. It's very common to see providers telling people to wait and see if it gets worse, especially providers that don't provide conservative treatment options. And so don't wait to see if it gets worse. Be proactive in treating that curve to reduce the curve as much as possible, to stop progression as much as possible, so that in the future, if you do end up progressing to the point of needing surgery, that you don't regret not having done something earlier. Those are my 3 things. Get educated, trust professionals that are specialized in scoliosis and make sure that they are specialized in it. And number 3, be proactive in your treatment, the treatments that you choose to do with your child. That may be bracing, that may be Schroth method exercises, that may be, it may be waiting to see if it's not at a high risk of progression. So that's what I would do if my child had scoliosis and was diagnosed with scoliosis. And it's a lot of times what I talk about with my patients who ask me that question. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, leave those in the comments and I'll be sure to answer those. And we'll see you next time.